Folks, this call came in for a flat tire over here in Gatlinburg, Calhoun's Village. It's in a Cadillac. It says all the way in the back. Let me see if I can call him. Alrighty, I found him. Just had to go through that little gate there. We're on a tire change for Cadillac. Yep, here we go.
Is that working now?
Battery died. It started the car. Doesn't open the door.
Oh, it's the front one. Okay.
Are you serious? How lucky, how nice is that?
Oh
right?
yeah, that's a nice one there.
I don't know, we parked, came back from dinner, and that's what it looked like.
Okay.
We drove all the way back from
No!
stop. The key's not opening the trunk.
Oh, okay.
Nothing. If it died.
Is it in the controller?
Yeah.
Do you know what size it is?
No.
Okay.
Let me try before you start that. Let's try one more time.
Okay. Because I have some that I bought for this one, and it worked for a Hyundai that I think it was a Hyundai that I think it's a common size.
This is usually they are. I gotta figure out how to get it open.
Right.
We're just having a day.
This is
Yeah.
the real car. I think Ava was basically lost our tire business.
Let me see if we're in here.
Put the key back in and see if it's
I know that I had some. Yep, here we go.
We were just sitting in there.
Just
You want to see if he has a good.
I don't know how to get this thing sucker open.
okay. And sometimes they'll have actually a key in it too.
Yeah, it has
Yeah,
the key.
but look.
There's no, of course, the key doesn't work with the lock, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's in there?
Yeah. They have a little slot down here at the bottom.
Oh, yeah? No, there's a
Oh,
lot
which
more.
one? He
Sorry.
wants to go here. Sorry. We have a flat tire.
Oh, okay. Yep.
But if I can hop out of here, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yep.
Oh, good. Look at that.
You got
It's
a
nice,
flat.
Beautiful.
Now all of a sudden the battery is dead in the key, and I'm not sure what else can happen.
Here, wait.
Yeah.
Let me get a
We
light.
need to get you moved the
Yeah,
truck
we'll have
oil
to
your
move
way
the
too.
truck. We'll have to move the truck. That usually will do it. It'll pop that cover off.
No, it's just a.
Usually it'll pop that cover off.
I've never seen that.
Yeah, it's usually not even that. It's usually just a little bit it takes and they pop right off. Well,
All right. Move now.
all right. Well, let's see if the.
Will it do it to any other one?
Oh, the truck's in your way. Yeah, let me back that up.
Let me fix this.
Okay, I'll back up. I'm sorry, sir. I'll just back right up over here and. good luck.
All right, thank you.
Oh, you did get the cover
It
off.
takes a 2032.
2032.
But I can't, I got it off, but damned if I can't get this to, it won't do anything. There, you did it.
There. Just like the old school stuff. Okay. Been one of them nights, isn't it? There you go. If you want to try it,
Thanks. Yeah, I need
see
to
if that works.
Can I have the key? Can I have the key?
Yeah, they're not having a very good night, are they? I think it's just in the air.
I've never seen that before.
Yeah, the ones that they don't have any key on them, that's usually what they do. If you can get the key out just on the driver's
Just on the
door.
driver's side.
Just
So
on
here's
the
the
driver's
tire.
door.
Our son had his.
Yeah.
Well, no, he lost everything.
He lost
No, he had the key, but he couldn't get in
Yeah.
But he couldn't start
because
the
his son. Well, because he couldn't get in the car. He has the key fob, and like they said, is they put the connector onto this part,
Yep.
not onto the fob. And it was a stupid design. It was such
All right,
and
we
he
got it over
fell
here.
and fell off. And he still had this. He goes, but it doesn't open the door.
Now tell us, we thought we needed another a piece for this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We
Well,
don't
we
have
can't
that.
get the lug nuts off anyway.
Right.
Yeah.
That's true.
Okay.
And that's why we
That's
looked.
fine.
And so we had the tire and we had that.
You had
but
the
it
tire.
doesn't have a tire iron for
It
that.
doesn't have the tire. That's crazy. Okay.
You know, that's what we did. We could
We
pull.
searched. Yeah.
Oh
you
wow.
look.
Okay.
We looked at everything underneath,
Yeah.
which is where it was.
Yeah. Wow.
And
Yeah. Yeah. It should be in there. But somebody's done used it, haven't they?
that's what it looks like.
So hopefully you have one.
Oh yeah. I have the impact. We can.
It's a thing that ticked me on. That's so. So yeah, Avis is not really in our best mood right now.
That's fine. Yeah. Triple.
Get that out. Yeah, he has another one.
Yeah. See if that will work, and that does. That. There you go. Going to shut this door so I can
yeah.
get in here.
And you want to close? I got it.
Oh, it's okay. I would have got it.
I feel useless.
I'm going to grab wheel chock because it's kind of on a slant. Slide in there. Sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. No, you're fine. You're fine. I was trying to get in there. I want to check the pressure on this and make sure it's full. Always grab that one. 60 is what it should be. And there's 30. Okay. I think this is a rental company. Check your spares. Make sure all your tools are in there.
This is supposed to pop off because the key is on the battery's on the other side. And I fit it in there, and it's not going in there. So, and then, like you said, I'm now starting to bend this when I do it.
All right, gonna get a little loud. Oh yeah, I don't know what you got into. Oh, it's a rock or there's a hole right there.
Wow. What the?
I don't know how we drove here.
We got up to we were coming down from Clayman's Dome.
Yeah.
I don't know if there was something on there or whatever, but
it's hard telling. We see a lot of stuff get picked up.
Yeah.
Because they're doing so much construction up in there too.
That's part of it, yeah.
It's hard telling. There you go. Could be screw and it might have come out or broke off. It's hard telling.
It doesn't show any of the words, so it's like that.
Yeah, maybe it's that one. Yes.
Okay. And this is a and what is this exactly? Is it 21?
We have no idea.
We don't know.
Okay.
We actually hadn't been in on the. We didn't even look at the registration or anything. I haven't looked at it.
It should say right up here in the door somewhere. Should. Well, maybe not. That's the tires.
I'm not fixated with anything.
That's okay.
The registration and probably the glove department should have it.
It's okay. We'll see what it is, and I just want to look it up for the torque spec.
Yeah.
So it's a. Let's just say 2020 Cadillac XTS wheel torque spec. 22.
Oh, it's a 2019.
2019. I've done 2020, so it's close. There's usually like a big gap where they're all the same.
It's not working.
Still not working.
Not working. So can we flip out the button to use the key?
Well, we could get the key in there and get there.
Yeah, it should. Yeah.
It's a 2019.
2019. Okay. I'm seeing 140. 100. Usually it just pops right up. Usually the first thing pops up. Okay. 2019. Try it again. 2019 XTS Cadillac wheel spec Look out torque.
We didn't do it.
It was the other guy.
We have enough trouble. We didn't do that.
No, you're fine. Now it says 111. And that one's 140. That's the all-wheel drive version.
Yeah, it's Escalades. That's not.
Yeah, so we're right in one of these, 111. Okay, that's all I was needing.
I think you call Avis back and say, look, the battery has now died. Piece of junk. Get us a new car in the morning.
There,
That's.
yeah. Well, that thing's just angry, isn't it?
Really?
Okay. Okay. Put all this stuff up. You had the key for it?
It's the fob. The battery in the fob died.
You know what size it is?
It takes a little round battery. I'm not sure which size it is.
Okay.
The back comes off with a little screwdriver.
Okay. Yeah, we could check
battery
it.
sales today.
Yeah, because I have some batteries that.
If you have a little tiny screwdriver, I can get this back off and show you what size it is.
The only thing I.
What we did is we took the car off and got the.
Oh yeah, see, mine won't come off without
This
unscrewing
will
that
come
screw.
Okay. Yeah, let me see if I have one. Let me grab this.
Man, I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
Y'all have
It
the same kind of problem, or?
I had flat and the same thing.
Fuck, man. Fuck.
Avis, AAA, nobody can get service.
Nope.
That's good, dude. Yeah. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Yeah, the day after I bought this, he was doing the same shit. And then I think the only thing that's on battery $2 was on the
These aren't the best. I got these at Harbor Freight. I mean, they're not going to be if it's the same thing.
It is. It's that one, yes.
Okay.
I remember buying those pretty much
2032.
exact same ones.
Okay.
Just gotta figure out how to get this fucking back off.
Yeah, I've got some over there, some tools. I'll get them a ticket going for that, and
Okay.
I'll get you a
Thank you
screwdriver
so
real
much,
quick.
hon.
Here you
I
go.
appreciate you. What's your name again?
Nathan.
Nathan? Okay,
Yep.
Nate.
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
I'm
There's
Gray.
that. Gray, nice to
Yes,
meet
sir.
you. I got a screwdriver over here. Let me grab it.
Oh, what are the odds that you would just be here and so helpful? Thank you.
That's what we're here for.
Yeah, I knew something was wrong when the fob wasn't fucking unlocking it. I was like, no,
Yep.
not again. I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same.
I keep so much stuff in here. There it is. Yeah, I gave them one. Hopefully it was good. I know it looks. That might fit it. I know it's a smaller. There we go. That one's a little bit
It's
smaller.
pretty itty bitty.
Yeah.
That one would probably do.
Try that one. I know it's. This has a little everything in it. See if that
Thank you,
works
yeah.
for you. And I want to get them a ticket going so they're not waiting on me too much. Yeah, they're trying. get their fob going too. So I bought those a couple weeks ago for this, and I had another one.
Man.
Yep.
But it's shit.
Oh, it is. Yeah, for sure.
See, I think it might be. I don't know where to tell
You can lay it up there
well.
if you want and get you some pressure on it. Get light on it.
Fob for my keys went out, and the fob for my car went off. Now it's stuck in arm position. It's being stupid, so I'm trying to.
There's you a couple cards if you want.
Hope everything works out.
I think we maybe got it.
Let's see. We are still in the 9th so far. Alrighty, folks. You seen we got that spare tire changed on the Cadillac. I think we had more of a difficult time with the key fob than anything. Once we got it to work, they were good to go. And there was a lady right across from us in a Subaru that was having fob problems. So put a battery in hers and she was good to go. So there's another thing,
Take
people.
a slight right turn
when
onto
you
Savage Garden Road, then turn right
check
onto
your spare
Parkway.
tires for air and keep a backup battery for your key fob around. But other than that, everybody stay safe out there, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Alrighty, folks, I'm out here in Gatlinburg. Looks like this is the lens. Alright, folks, I'm in Gatlinburg. Had some buildings on fire today, and I'm back here behind them. I don't know if you can see anything, but there is smoke galore, and maybe I can get a glimpse of the buildings here. They've been fighting it all day. See it up there or not. It's still bellowing out smoke. Back in there. That's crazy. They are still back here putting fires out. Anyway, there's smoke in the parking lots and everything. All over the place. It stinks. Terrible. Anyway, I just wanted to see if I could get some of that in there. Bad deal. Everybody stay safe out there. We'll catch you later.